Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. First, ensure Python 3. 10 plus, pip, and a virtual environment, you want isolation. Once done, open a Jupyter notebook and practice small scripts. Load CSVs with pandas, manipulate arrays in NumPy, plot quick charts with matplotlib. Make sure to install scikit-learn now so you can run models. You'll move faster if you keep examples tiny. One dataset, one pipeline, one metric per run. Next, you tackle the complex middle steps, model building and reliable evaluation. Start by splitting data into train, validation, and test sets. Use stratified sampling when labels are skewed. Then build a scikit-learn pipeline combining preprocessing, scaling, and an estimator so transformations stay consistent. Once done, run grid search CV or randomized search CV to tune hyperparameters and record validation scores. Make sure to visualize predictions and residuals. That explains model behavior better than numbers alone. To finish, wrap your trained model into a reproducible artifact and deploy it. You should save the pipeline with joblib including preprocessing steps, then create a small fast API or Flask endpoint to serve predictions. Include input validation and logging. Once live, monitor key metrics for drift and collect new labeled examples for retraining. If things go wrong, check for data leakage first, then inspect label quality and feature distribution changes, because most failures trace back to input issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.